We have arrived in Taichung, Taiwan, and right now we're gonna go and explore the famous, what was the name of Feng Chai?
The Feng Chai Night Market. It's huge. It's one of the best night markets in the world. At least one of the best ones in Taiwan, maybe in the world. So much food, so much stuff. The shopping paradise. Guys, bye.
So that one right there is just the beginning of the night market, and it gets as busier and busier once you start going inside.
How much is this?
Milk tea 55. White tea 30.
So you probably know that the milk tea is extremely famous here. But here we have self-service milk tea counter. So basically you tap your own milk tea. I thought it's beer, so I got really excited, right? You can tap your own milk tea and then just put it, seal it, just pay and go. How cool is that?
You gonna try it?
Yeah, I don't know. I was really looking forward to it being beer, you know? But let's just walk around. I know how it's like a really cool feature. This place is packed. Guys, wow.
Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be. Life with no distractions.
So let's start with bubble milk tea. That's the most important thing. So basically, green tea, add milk, add ice, and add pearls, which are like jelly pearls. I've told you about them many times. They're so good, and it's the national Taiwanese drink. So starting with tea, 45 Taiwanese dollar, which is roughly €1, $31.50. So I don't really know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I don't understand anything that's written here. You never really know which of the foods you're gonna take is gonna be pork intestine. The chewy bubble.
Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the
Taiwanese understand it. It's all about inclusivity and non-discrimination.
make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
It's just really insane to see how much stuff they have here. Like, they are selling everything that you can imagine, starting from street foods, and we haven't tried anything yet, only the bubble tea, because we cannot decide what to choose first, and they're selling basically everything. And yeah.
I'm on a bubble tea diet, so I'm good. About Taiwan is that you'll see these karaoke booths, similar to telephone booths, but karaoke booths which are sealed, so when you go inside you can choose whatever song you want and sing it to like the most heartfelt tones or whatever. You just give it your best because no one's gonna hear you. So compared to the Philippines where you can hear karaoke all over the places, here it's a private thing. Just take your time, do your karaoke.
Except people can still kind of observe you while you're singing.
Just remember that the booths are transparent so people can still see you. But you can practice your dance moves as well, I mean.
One beef.
Yeah, it's a beef or pork?
One beef, one pork.
No, just beef.
One beef.
So I just ordered a bun. That's the first thing we saw. So basically that's bread with some beef inside, some salad, some seaweed. It costs $40, which is roughly €1.20. So this thing basically is some sliced beef, some pickled cucumbers and seaweed with some lettuce and some sauces in a really soft bun. You could call it a shawarma, mini version of shawarma, but in an extremely soft bun. Let's give it a taste. The meat is really juicy, but the bun is sweet. Which is great, and it's yeah. But the meat is really good. And the pickled cucumbers, oh my god. So there are two beautiful noodle soups. Chris ordered the spicy pork bone soup, which has beautiful thinly sliced pork, some egg and some seaweed. And I ordered Korean kimchi pork bone soup. Oh my goodness, look at it. And this is the small portion. It cost $109, which is roughly 3 euros, maximum 3 euros, $3.50. Look at this. This is the small one. Oh my god. Let's try it. Let's try the broth. Oh my god, it's so creamy and milky. And I added some spices, so now it's a little bit spicy as well. Ooh, I think it's perfect.
So we just learned from the local street vendor that basically this market is divided in 3 separate parts. And the first one was where we just walked, and the second one runs along the university wall. And it seems a little bit more organized, and the shops pay a little bit higher price for having a stand here. And the third part is a little bit afterwards, and each of these parts are a little bit different from each another. But the market is extremely huge, kind of making the circle. So yeah, you can spend hours walking around and just shopping, eating your way out.
There's a lot of stuff here, guys. A lot. Many different colors, many different shapes. Yeah, so we just got sausages and I'm almost sure that that's pork intestine, so I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna turn the camera around and give it to Chris, because Chris is the one experimenting with food.
Sausage looks kind of like standard, like basic sausage, but Linda is saying that this is like pork intestine, so we'll see.
I said it, yeah.
美双鸡颗比较绝，一般还是200的，100不带200比较划算，分量会比较多。来，好吃鸟蛋哦，美双鸡颗比较绝。
It's a little bit sweet.
Is that sweet sausage?
来，好吃鸟蛋哦，
Just a little bit.
鸡颗比较绝。
Is it pork intestines?
It tastes like a regular meat, but a little bit sweeter meat. It's like a sweeter version of meat. But it's good actually. It's sweet, but good, I guess.
好吃鸟蛋哦。
So the next on our food haul is barbecue teriyaki French horn mushrooms. I'm not sure if that's an actual English name or just a combination of words translated from Chinese, but that's how it's called. I'm a big fan of mushrooms and we've seen these everywhere. We thought $70, which is like 2 euros or like $2.50 for this portion, is quite expensive because that's just mushrooms, you know. But apparently everyone loves them, everyone's buying them, so we thought, yeah, we have to try this as well. And I love mushrooms. It's really soft. A little bit chewy, but really soft. Taiwanese people love chewy stuff. That's actually a thing.
Is it sweet?
No, of course not. It's like a mushroom. A really nice mushroom. We've been walking for 2 hours, and guys, I have no idea where the heck we are in this huge market. But I have mushrooms, so. I just ordered another milk tea. Still gonna turn into a walking milk tea, but can't resist, especially if it's matcha flavor. So we was just walking around the market and found these shoes. I bought these shoes for my friend Agnes, so if you're watching this, you have to hit the like button for the video, you have to leave a comment, and you have to share the video on your Facebook feed as well. That's the things you do for friends. Anyhow, I got these shoes for her. Those are like ones, really cute sneakers. They cost only 23 euros, so that's around $26. They were around 70% off. So, which leads me to the next point, that this market's also famous not only for the food, but also for the shopping. You have so many different clothes and also brand outlets. They have Adidas, they have Nike, they have Skechers, Havaianas, they have everything. So that's a pretty cool thing, and also for really, really cheap prices.
And of course, famous Taiwanese dumplings. You cannot come to this night market and not try one of the amazing dumplings. Oh, so juicy. Always good, always good. 3 hours later.
3 long, filled with food and bubble tea shopping hours later.
This market is infinitive.
Infinitive, that's yeah, you have to pass that the word infinitive. That's actually how you can best describe it, infinitive. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this food tour Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the food tour. We took you guys along with us, and well, I hope you learned a bit more about the Taiwanese market, what to expect from them, what are the prices, what are the foods. I mean, we showed maybe like a fraction of the different foods that they offer. Wow.
One of the surprising things was that we walked around for like maybe 3.5 hours, and we only spotted 3 tourists besides us.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Anyhow guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below which was your favorite shot, which was your favorite food, and what kind of other Taiwanese foods we need to try if you're watching this before we leave Taiwan. And
maybe if you know anything else about Taiwan, just let us know so we can explore more of it.
Let's see you in the next video.
See you. Mixed together?
Yes.
Oh really?
Yes.
So we couldn't leave before Linda having just one more bubble tea.
Now, I've tapped my tea. It's a little bit different than tapping a beer because it doesn't give that much foam. So, and now I'm gonna put it in the color machine.
And the fresh green butter.
Green butter.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at it. Wait. Did I take a small straw? Oh, it's good.